Hi, my name is Lil and I work campus service here at AAU University. In 2020 we'll be implementing a new waste management and sorting system around the whole campuses of Aalborg, Esbjerg and Copenhagen. However, implementing a new waste sorting management and sorting system here at AAU University does not ensure the correct behavior among students and employees at AAU University. Nor does it actually minimize the waste generated amongst our users, which is also an aim in the project when introducing the new waste sorting management. This is an important challenge because it actually gets really close to the students in their everyday lives. They have to take ownership of this object in order to them to actually understand the process and also for the process to be successful. Oh, there are so many perspectives that can actually, fulfill this success criteria of gaining knowledge on this challenge. Because you can say there is a lot of psychological processes that you can look into. There's also technical processes in order to to find out how much waste is actually generated at Aalborg University. Can you measure the change in behavior also in order to see if the communication is something that is actually a factor in this. There's actually a lot of different challenges when we have to introduce this new waste sorting management. One thing is that you are introducing a new bin. People need to locate the new bin. They also need to understand why we have to phase out the different small bins in every office. It's also important that they understand that the correct use of the bin is actually, gaining value for all employees and staff at Aalborg University. It's a common challenge that we all need to buy in on. A lot of our students actually think that they're doing the correct job while sorting out their waste, but the understanding of you doing the right thing and actually doing the right thing, there might be a gap between those two. And that is actually what we would like the groups and the projects help us provide that understanding to the students what is correct use of the bin, because that gap is actually quite huge. There's definitely grounds for cultural studies, as we see a lot of different segments across the users of this new bin. For example, we have the staff and we have the students, but they are also divided into small segments because their motivation for actually sorting waste is very different. Yeah. The students will be affecting the SDG of sustainable cities and communities, because the whole square meters of the campuses at Aalborg, Esbjerg and Copenhagen sums up to be a small town. As the collection of the campuses at Aalborg University is translatable to a small town, the students working on these projects actually has a great impact on the greater scale, because it's not just one household, it's a small town. So the impact is actually really great and also translates into the SDGs. This challenge is special because you looked at a closed environment where you can research before the implementation phase is going on, and also during and after.